In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover a hacked Facebook account with no email or phone. So let's just get straight into the video. The best and the fastest method is going to be by opening any browser that you prefer using and then simply searching for facebook.com/hacked, just like that. And you're going to be taken to their official page right over here. Simply go ahead and click on next, and then their Facebook portal is going to go ahead and start. You can simply go ahead and choose any of this. So I found a account which uses my name and photo. People can see things I thought were private. I can't see the right options in the list, or so on and so forth. You can simply go ahead and click on continue by choosing your proper option. And once you do so, simply go ahead and follow along and follow the prompt. So they're going to send you a verification code. They're also going to go ahead and help you secure your account. So once they send you a verification code, simply go ahead and enter that. Or they're also going to go ahead and just let you change your password if the device is authorized device previously. So they will not send you any verification code, no nothing. You can simply go ahead and log in. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.